The next step is to remove the nozzle. To do that, we use a 7/8 inch wrench, loosen the end fitting gland, turn it a few times by hand until the nozzle is loose and can easily slide forward and up. The nozzle has a conical surface that mates with another conical surface inside the high pressure cylinder. We put the nozzle in and push it back, making sure it's properly engaged. We'll hold the nozzle with one hand while tightening the glands with the other. I want to make sure the nozzle moves back and forth and that it's sitting in the back of the opening. Then we take the 7/8 inch wrench and tighten the gland.